Hey guys, it's finally quiz time again, and the content for today's quiz will be forecasts from lesson 54. The first question, what is skincare products in Chinese? We have A. 家具 B. 医疗产品 C. 电子产品 D. 护肤品 Is it A, B, C, or D? 家具 is furniture. 医疗产品 is medical products. 电子产品 is electronics product. 护肤品 is skincare products. And skincare products in Chinese is D. 护肤品,护肤品. The next question. What is avatar in Chinese? We have A. 头 B. 头像 C. 品牌 D. 产品 You can try to guess first. 头 is head, 头像 is avatar, 品牌 is brand, 产品 is product. And avatar in Chinese is B. 头像, 头像. The next one. What is furniture in Chinese? We have A. 品牌 B. 电子产品 C. 家具 D. 头像 I'll give you time to think first. 品牌 is brand. 电子产品 is electronic products. 家具 is furniture. 头像 is avatar. So furniture in Chinese is C. 家具 家具 Another question here. What is hat in Chinese? We have A. 产品 B. 医疗产品 C. 护肤品 D. 头 I will explain it later. 产品 is products. 医疗产品 is medical products. 护肤品 is skincare products. 头 is hat. So hat in Chinese is D. 头 头 Let's move on to the next question. What is electronic products in Chinese? A. 家具 B. 护肤品 C. 产品 D. 电子产品 Which one do you think is the right answer? 家具 is furniture. 护肤品 is skincare products. 产品 is products. 电子产品 is electronic products. And the right answer for this question is D. 电子产品电子产品 Moving on to the next one. What is brand in Chinese? A. 头像 B. 医疗产品 C. 品牌 D. 头 Which one do you think is the correct answer? 头像 is avatar. 医疗产品 is medical products. 品牌 is brand. 头 is hat. And the correct answer for this question is C. 品牌,品牌. Moving on to another question here. What is products in Chinese? A. 产品 B. 头像 C. 头 D. 家具 Which one do you think is the right one, guys? Champion is products, 头像 is avatar, 头 is hat, 家具 is furniture. And A is the right answer for this question. 产品, 产品. And finally, guys, the last question for today. What is medical products in Chinese? A. 品牌 B. 医疗产品 C. 电子产品 D. 护肤品 Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? 品牌 is brand, 医疗产品 is medical products, 电子产品 is electronics products, 护肤品 is skincare products, and B is the correct answer for this question. 医疗产品,医疗产品. And that's all, guys, for today's quiz. And good job. I hope to see you guys again in our next lesson.